Welcome to Sonic Sciences. Today we present an episode from the Syntaxis Symposium series. Although today not so serious, we will talk about our beloved and beneficial feline friends. Ever wondered why cats make such fantastic companions? Well, let me walk you through some intriguing scientific insights that might just make you consider getting a furry friend if you haven't already. First off, did you know that simply watching cat videos can boost your energy and create positive emotions? Yes, there's actual research from Indiana University that says so. Imagine what living with one could do. But it's not just about the warm fuzzies. Cats can genuinely contribute to our physical health. Owning a cat is associated with reduced stress and anxiety, leading to decreased risk of heart disease. This isn't just a happy coincidence. It's a studied fact by scientists at the University of Minnesota. They found that cat owners were nearly 30% less likely to die of a heart attack. And it's not just the adults reaping the benefits. Children who grow up with cats often develop higher social skills and can have decreased chances of developing allergies. Cats help teach responsibility, empathy, and compassion from a young age. Now let's talk about purring. Cat purrs aren't just cute, they're healing. The vibrations produced by purring have been shown to help heal infections, swelling, and even bone fractures. A cat's purr can range from 25 to 150 hertz, and these frequencies are medically therapeutic. Plus, cats are relatively low maintenance compared to other pets. They're perfect for apartment living or busy individuals since they don't require constant attention and walks like dogs do. So whether it's their health benefits, their calming presence, or simply their playful antics, cats make an amazing pet for a variety of reasons. If you've been on the fence about getting a cat, maybe it's time to take the leap and enjoy the wonderful world of cat ownership. Thanks for listening, and maybe consider sharing your life with a purring pal. Trust me, it's perfectly wonderful. Remember, there's a reason why they say cats have 9 lives. And with all these beneficial qualities, they just might be giving some of that extra life to us as well. Cat people unite. Thank you for spending time with Sonic Sciences, and see you for the next edition of the Syntaxis Symposium series. Thanks again. And as always, I encourage you to like, comment, and most importantly, subscribe, synthesize, and synchronize with total vibrational vitality.